Hey guys, WowieFan582 here, and today I have a really exciting unboxing, and that is my first Ars Media. Now, this guy I got off eBay for $478 total. It came all the way from the UK. The seller claims it's fully working, so yeah, I've never seen an Ars Media in person before, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, got a lot of cardboard. And what is this? Thank you for your purchase. Could you please leave us some feedback on eBay? Yes, I will. Thank you for that. Anyway, let's see what we've got. Okay, I see them already. Okay, what's this here? This we'll open this and see what this is. Should be the remote, which it is. Got a little bubble wrap on this. Very nice condition. Here's that. And now, to the main robot itself. Oh, this is big. Oh. Okay. There's the robot. Looks to be in very nice condition. Got a couple scuffs. Nothing too major, but it also did come with a manual, which of course is right in here. Anyway, let me just put all this stuff away. Just so it's not a mess in my room. All right. Move that off to the side, and I'll get you some better looks at the robot itself. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally hit the record button and my camera stopped recording. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna get you some better looks. There's that big kind of scuff that I was talking about. Face looks good. Hopefully that screen isn't broken. All looks good. Let's have a look at the back, which is also in very nice condition. But yeah, the seller told me that he only got like 6 or 10 hours of use total. But yeah, anyways, I'll upload another video when I have batteries in, and I'll show you this guy in action. See you then.